Storm Tracker weather starts now with meteorologist Joey Bianconi.
Welcome back, everybody. Happy Monday. Hope you enjoyed that wonderfully warm weekend we had across the state. Minimal wind, very warm temperatures, much above average, 50s and 60s widespread. But unfortunately, that weather is moving on out and the return of winter is here. But at least it's not bitterly cold like the month of February. So here's what we got going on this morning. A center of low pressure off to our southwest. That is associated with a cold front. That cold front will not affect us. That will actually move into the central plains in a few days and cause some severe weather out there. This is the cold front that will affect us. That's moving towards the south, and that'll be here by tonight. That'll cause a little bit of snow and then a larger storm system out into the Pacific. So here's Helena this morning. Sun's rising, but not really going to see it. It's very cloudy outside. 38 degrees, feels like 30 out there with a northwest wind of 14 miles an hour. Great Falls, camera's not working, but we're not going to see much either because it is very cloudy here. 31 degrees, feels like 22, also with a northwest wind, breezy at times. So here are all our statewide temperatures. Most of us start the day into the upper 20s and lower 30s. If we add wind to that, it is a little bit breezy in parts of north central Montana. Cut Bank at 23 miles an hour out of the north. So Cut Bank, Great Falls, Helena, some of the breeziest spots in the states right now. Here's your hour-by-hour forecast for Helena. We start the day in the 30s. We end the day in the 30s. Unfortunately, we're not really going to change much. We're not going to get warmer. So again, I hope you enjoyed this weekend because you're going to need to bring back out the winter jacket. So in the total opposite spectrum here, we're going to flip to some flooding concerns in eastern Montana, specifically near the Glendive, Sidney areas. A flood watch continues until 4 o'clock this afternoon for the Yellowstone River, and we actually do have a flash flood warning on the Yellowstone River near Sidney. That also goes until 4 o'clock. That's due to some ice jam. So we'll zoom into this real quick. Again, flood stage for this river at 17 feet. We're at 17.5 feet right now. We'll jump on over to the Poplar River near Scobie because that is also in an action stage of about 6 feet. Current feet, the actual, at least action stage is 5 feet. So here's the radar this morning. At least that area of the state, northeast Montana, not getting any precipitation right now, but there is a little bit of snow near the Little Belt Mountains, up near Havre as well. We'll zoom into the Little Belts because Lewistown is one of the places that could see a little bit of some accumulating snow, especially tonight into tomorrow morning. So we'll keep an eye out on that, but we'll start to see more widespread snow enter the state this afternoon. This is at about 12:30. You already see Great Falls, a little bit of a rain-snow mix maybe initially. It's going to be hard for snow to stick because of our warmer temperatures this weekend, so it's going to take a little bit for at least the roads to get accumulation, but we will see some accumulation, especially into parts of north central Montana. Helena is going to be spotty. We'll have on and off snow showers. This snow event mainly favors the plains here with upslope north flow along the Little Belts, the Big Belts, the Snowies, the Bear Paws. So the usual suspects when we have our north component to these snowstorms. This will last through the night tonight and into tomorrow morning until the system moves on out, and we're just left with mostly cloudy to partly cloudy skies. We'll start to see decreasing cloud cover into tomorrow afternoon. Winter weather advisories have been issued in advance here for the Lewistown area, Great Falls, the Big Belts down to Bozeman and Livingston, even parts of southern Montana here near I-90. 1 to 3 inches of snow widespread with gusts up to 40 miles an hour. So here's what I'm forecasting. Helena, about a trace to 2 inches. We're not going to see a lot of snow with this one, unfortunately, for snow lovers. Great Falls, Lewistown, the potential for a little bit more. We could even see an inch or two up on the high line. So here's the forecast for today. There's that cold front pushes south. That'll bring some snow and colder temperatures. 30s for most of our highs today. Here's the next 7 days. We'll be in the 30s here today and tomorrow for Helena. I know it says 40 up there, but we hit a high of 40 degrees earlier this morning. We'll have another storm system move to our south, mainly south of I-90 on Thursday, and then a warmer weekend. Don't forget, we're springing ahead on Sunday.